In this video, we will see how to place and retrieve data onto stack, which is nothing but push and pop operations of 8051. To understand this better, let us say we have a task wherein we need to push immediate data 03 onto memory locations 31H and 32H. After moving this immediate data to these memory locations, the second task is we need to send that data to port 0 and port 2. To understand this better, we will we'll draw the stack and say SP is pointing to this memory location, and we'll write this memory location as 30H. SP should be pointing to 30H, not 31H. This is because when we push any data onto stack pointer SP initially gets incremented by 1 and then it places the data. In this case, if we make SP to point to 30H, when we push any data, first it increments by 1, that is, now it gets incremented to 31 and then it places the data. Fair enough. Now we'll try to write the code. We will move immediate data 30H to 81H. Here 81H is the address of special function register stack pointer. Now we have made stack pointer to point to 30H, which is fair enough. Now we'll get the we will get the immediate data, which is 03, onto some working register, say R1 of bank 0. Fair enough. Now we will push whatever data present in working register to memory location. I'll say push R1. Here one important point is I cannot say push R1 because the microcontroller doesn't know which R1 I'm pointing to. Is it R1 of bank 0 or bank 1 or bank 2 or bank 3? It doesn't know. So with push operation, I need to use direct memory addressing. That means to say that I have to use push 01, push 01H. Now this means I'm pointing to R1 of bank 0. When I say push 01H, what happens here is SP gets incremented by 1. Now it is pointing to 31H, and then whatever data present in R1 it places onto stack. That's good. Now the next task is we need to push the same data to next memory location. To do that, I'll again write push 01H. So what happens here is SP again gets incremented by 1, and now SP is pointing to 32H, and there it places the data. And after the execution of this instruction, SP is pointing to 32H, and we have done this initial task. We have pushed data 03 onto memory locations 31 and 32H. Now we need to send this data to port 0 and port 2. For that, let us draw the same stack again. This was our stack. This was 30, 31, 32, and this has 03 and 03, and SP is currently pointing to this memory location. And now I can pop whatever data present in memory location that SP is pointing to, that will be sent to ATH. ATH here, ATH is the address of port 0. So whatever data was present on 32H, that is being popped to port 0, and SP gets decremented by 1. Now after the execution of this instruction, SP is pointing to 31H, and now we need to send whatever data present on 31H to port 2. For that, I'll again pop AT, sorry, the address for port 2 is A0H. Port 2, the address for which is A0. Here we cannot write simply A0 because any address we have written, that must be followed by a number. If it starts with A, B, C, then we need to precede it by 0. We need to write 0 before it. Now we have popped whatever data was present on 31H to A0, that means port 2, and SP gets decremented after the execution of this instruction, and now it is pointing to 30H, and we have moved data 03 to port 2.